Halo teman-teman, ketemu lagi di pembelajaran kita di Khan Academy teman-teman. Jadi kemarin kita sudah menyelesaikan quadrilateral. Ini dia, kita sudah menyelesaikannya. Itu di unit ke-9 teman-teman. Oke, sekarang kita akan masuk di unit 10. Jadi kalau kita lihat di grade 3 sini, kita sekarang akan memasuki unit 10. Ini dia teman-teman. Kita akan memasuki unit 10 tentang understanding area. Kita coba klik. Nah, unit 10 ini topiknya tentang area teman-teman. Jadi kita akan menyelesaikan ini. Dia ada sekitar ada 13 exercise teman-teman, 14 dengan unit test. Oke, langsung mari kita mulai. Kita langsung mulai dari sini. Oke. Sebenarnya tidak ada video teman, kita langsung mulai. Ini beta belum ingat ya apa nih. Coba kita, oh ya ada videonya teman-teman. Coba kita pelajari dulu. Oke. Ini ada videonya di sini nih, teman-teman.
So we've got two figures right over here, and I want to think about how much space they take up on your screen. And this idea of how much space something takes up on a surface, this idea is area. So right when you look at it, it looks pretty clear that this purple figure takes up more space on my screen than this blue figure. But how do we actually measure it? How do we actually know how much more area this purple figure takes up than this blue one? Well, one way to do it would be to define a unit amount of area. So for example, I could create a square right over here, and the square, whatever units we're using, we could say it's a 1 unit. So its width right over here is 1 unit, and its height right over here is 1 unit. We could call this a unit square. A unit square. And so one way to measure the area of these figures is to figure out how many unit squares I can cover this thing with without overlapping and while staying in the boundaries. So let's try to do that. Let's try to cover each of these with unit squares, and essentially we'll have a measure of area. So I'll start with this little one. So we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 unit squares. Let me write this down. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unit squares, and I can draw the boundary between those unit squares a little bit clearer. So we have 5 unit squares. And so we could say that this figure right over here has an area. The area is 5. We could say 5 unit squares. The more typical way of saying it is that you have 5 square units. That's the area over here. Now let's do the same thing with this purple figure.
Oh, jadi idenya teman-teman, untuk seperti soal yang kita punya di sini, kita menghitung berapa banyak unit. Kita ini dibilang which shapes have an area of 12 square units. Jadi satu square ini sama dengan satu square unit. Jadi dia tanya shape yang mana yang memiliki 12 square unit teman-teman. Ini 3 kali 4, ini sudah pasti. Lalu ini 2 kali 6, 12. Ini teman-teman, kita cek. Oke, benar. Jadi teman-teman tidak harus menonton. Kalau memang langsung memahami silakan lewati saja teman-teman. Nah, kalau tidak memahami, kita kembali ke video. Which shapes have an area of 4 square units? 4. This one 1, 2, 3, 4. This one ini 16 sama ini 6. Oke. Which shape have an area of 9 square units? 9. Sekarang kita hitung. Dia bilang 1 square ini sama dengan 1 square unit. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9. Oke. Lalu 3 kali 3 pasti 9. 8 square units. 8 3 6 2 8 2 1 2 6. Oke, easy work, cukup gampang.